And finally, Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bonso abedin komo afa Fante Comedy. Enra akwachine on se Obama poku ase as a Ghana police for akwachine no asem nyina ne say cause fear and panic, misinformation, and a threat to kill His Excellency John Mahama. Afrifa clash with Ghana police from Gwachi Womo. Navis were blasting Mahama pa any NDC government. I said Kevin Taylor cry. And I'm homonia election a day. And I'm watching Fante Comedy. I Penyah media. Best was any demo. Obe like video, no other my subscribe button, somebody can keep notification on the latest updates. Number to the wide and their mommy. I will comment as much as possible. No she will from so any be ashe. 80 and run bro video catch was say Fante Comedy a channel. Say when your video new here or go to this particular channel, but then you know actually enra they see me chiremu Emma. Me ma hwe dia na amount for so e kan e online. Now we say anyway you know and about a Fante Comedy no you are granting the bail as at 1 p.m. Now Fante Comedy has been granted bail and the bail condition 100,000 Ghana cedis. Anna 3 sureties
by the police. When he had a wind of that the police is looking for him, he graciously honored the invitation. I accompanied him to the police PID office yesterday at about 1 p.m. So a citizen who respects the rule of law and having had a wind that the security agencies are looking for him, graciously goes in person voluntarily, honored the invitation, upon which he was arrested. Then the police come to court, asking the court to remand him. It is totally unfair, because if the court had heeded to the plea of the police or the prosecution, that would have been a miscarriage of justice. Because this person appeared to stand trial. He appeared personally because he knows and admits that he's innocent, and that he's ready to face trial if the prosecution is minded to pursue the matter. And the court graciously heeded to our prayer and granted the accused person's bail. We are looking at the prosecution. They are minded to proceed on the charges and the brief facts as filed before the courts. We will graciously appear before the courts and argue our case out. And we believe solemnly that the will of God and the will of justice will grind in favor. Thank you.
Council, plans to meet these bail conditions?
Oh, certainly we are even ready. Right. But the prosecution and the state is telling us that they are not available. They need to inspect the fixed place of abode of the accused persons who have been granted bail. And what can we say? We oblige them because the onus is on our favor. The court has graciously granted them bail. They have been in custody, and now that they have been released on bail, certainly by tomorrow we will ensure that the conditions are met and their liberties granted to them.
Doesn't mean your clients are spending the night in detention?
Obviously, yes, they are spending the night in detention. But tomorrow, by God's grace, the family of the accused persons will see them in their various places of abode. And family and friends will have the opportunity of having dinner.
Now, and same way we're in a buyer now. Every verse would have one can be a ye. As a corner man for the edges, dear, what do you Fante Comedy? Any say Obama, Pukwasino. We want to pay no coaches Obama. Watching on the fee. Omuko ni fie ni pronkoma bubu ne pono no ase no ewuram ne nyina fa video ase Obama posti ya na some taxi bi brandishing weapons etuo omukura tuo no mu flex tuo. It is that video no anase Obama posti ya and all the time so this is a threat to the security aspect of this country in penny for intim working on that no anase police verse wo near cause fear and panic because etuo na wa posti no obi ho ne mbehye no it will cause fear and panic and misinformation. It will almost our question. Now, anyone and Afrifa clash with Ghana police and His Excellency the President John Mahama. They go to his account himself.
Wherever will be, yes, the unpenny pancoso. We in Pone, first class. As we the first class, business class, just first. Have a young call, you see, arresting wire. Say Obama, you arrest woman. Governor, Kofi, almost the entire arrest woman. Okay, so you have Fante Comedy here. Danny, over video noa, you audio chronoa, almost a new ginaso, and the co arrest Fante Comedy no. After we are police in make release. Now you better release it. After Fante Comedy, dear Bani, I can't was yes, now much, sorry, say Obama Pokwasi, or also your Yakwa bubu ne dayani. Tantan. Adaya. Police in the release by. Now police in releasing, we will look at it and we will ask questions. Si abobo adamo said yebe niye nyoma basa ye mumra. Kobi tantan. Na sabi se Obama no ye kromfo. Wako wiade. Wako munipa. Afe police in the releasing was today. Was se Obama mra meboa no wete. There be mabobo adam. If say obi meboa with investigation. Sa na ye no. Ye be hwemra no de asie. Edi Fante Comedy modie no. Dani boss audio kroni ni yenti.
Mesramo. Na me say ye host.
Wait, Danny. For second one, bra. We pen out chain. Okay, say no, but there are no 2 pages, so maybe I be refi. So there is a video purportedly say yes, a Fante Comedy. Anna all hosting a TikTok live. Anna Ababa will be a more friend Ghana Jollof. Eba so. Now Oba no. Anna you say Ababa on Ghana Jollof for never can say. You look up to a chef for me and John Mahama cry and first of all, we must emphasize with the introduction of new media. Yeah, for the record, I support a free speech any day, anytime.
Precisely.
Just that I also believe that free speech should not be reckless.
Exactly.
So Obi Kikankwasi Asem said, yes, President Mahama, please come on, stop this nonsense. That's not the way to go. You may not like him. You may not like his governance. There's nothing wrong with it. But not me President Mahama we may support this. Some of us have made such mistakes in the past.
Exactly.
We don't believe that is the way to build nations. So President Mahama now on the and fine go see stop that crap. So we are not in any way, shape or form defending Obano and our Fante Comedy. Now we are looking at the details of it without any emotions. Say yes, we'll be a say any Fante Comedy who still be on TikTok and will be a bar and will say President Mahama say we no Obane kana utie kasano and Obane kase President Mahama miss me kuno but utie logically now or can a year about juju ceremony ade na me kuno ye de be shebotom ne ade stupid comment very stupid Ghana Jollof or whatever your name is. I won't support this comment any day anytime and you be try the thing fine. Okay, so then you see Okatakyie Fante Comedy. Ni abusa say na Fante Comedy na kan. Omo se there be. Na nyo no na kan dia. E dey see as NDC. Omo ko odi a rally. Na so be gina platform no so. Na wo kekan kwase asem say there be a Ghana Jollof be kan. You see ye jai nipa no ye yi no. Ni Okatakyie organizers no. Na organizers in the committee cry. Unless say the money bo Fante Comedy and they say must say abatement of a certain crime. But crime near there. You better read this section 75 and 74 of the Criminal and Other Offences Act 29. What it says about threat of harm and threat of death. You better read it in there are elements of a crime. Cases be support here. So you better cases in nobody should come and sit here. Police in the reporting. Now be a police in the reporting. Dani zoom in. Now you ready? Near police in or more report on you want more release on the buy. Okay, so police statement on a year arrest of Daniel Admako, Prince Ofori and 2 others. So Daniel Admako was said the Ghana Police Service in collaboration with other security agencies has arrested Mr. Daniel Admako, known on social media as Obama Pokwasi, earlier today. Now he goes on to say that his arrest is part of the ongoing intelligence-led operation by the police and the other security agencies aimed at dismantling networks involved in the illegal possession and display of sophisticated weapons. He is assisting the police in as opposed to and contrary to the Omukoye. He is assisting. Will be assisting police. That means police in assisting investigations into some images and videos he circulated on social media depicting individuals openly brandishing these illegal acquired sophisticated weapons. So Yenyana say Obama so education. First of all, police must release actually say he is assisting. Now person will be buano assisting. So here say Obama can be referred to as more or less a whistleblower.
Exactly.
Our person oba. Ebe bua state no. Ema state ni timi investigation. It is a me kwame amtie. Se me wo information bi. Na state no pay. Se me fa mo anu a. Mo bo badam. Ye kokko bubu ne dan. Asa ne afre ne sebra. E fa ne dan na omko ye fa no pa. E di omko ye ho anu pa no. Ko fa tro ne pe. So obi mo me boa wo. Emi assist with investigation. Say ne ye no. It is investigations na wo ye. And nipa na brandish weapon no. Ochu omko court wa. One of the persons I be rely on as a state witness. Say Obama. Na ko bubu ne pono ne ade na ye ne tantantan say ya. And obetumi anya na say witness. Ade be ne mafini ya ne san. And he accepted this no because say Obama a critic of a IGP.
Exactly.
So Obama no criticize the IGP. Eti ye hunu so post bibi. Na ma hunu so post bibi. Na say Obama, video no nya no we. Eye hefo a my information. Omo na ye target nya wo. Na no ye kokko bubu ne pono. Ye kwasa niema. Is that how you treat a state witness? You must be crazy to do these things. And he accepts say we no. Let it make sense to me. Why you say that the person is assisting? When somebody is assisting you, the way you treat the person is different.
Precisely.
Who invite anybody? Sometimes you don't even blow the cover of the whistleblower. In any logical society, so person Penyah and then just says Obama will criticize the IGP, I criticize the MPP a year by 1 penny for it. You must say, and who I am blown the cover. If it's a whistleblower, dear, must see any identity. Information. Now you say he is assistant. Now let's come to even the idea of putting people in handcuffs. So be assisted. Say young conquer investigation. Ya boya ya didn't say handcuffum. I did muya de no. I did muya de tantine. Let it make sense to me. Why you think that? Obi a one na ya say na afegovi. The dignity of every young here, Danny, Fameko article here, 15, 1 and 2. Or see the dignity of every person in Ghana shall be inviolable. That is Article 15 of the Constitution. It is Obi a person mebuao. Emma on investigation. Ni dignity. Ni adnagu handcuffs. Na handcuffs ni adneko na police for only be before say official picture no about was a police for only be at the more a private a training panel na leaky out to social media. So you are humiliating the person rather than wanting him to assist you. There is nothing about assisting you. Near the go handcuffs nipa also assist you and I didn't go handcuffs. When the dignity of that person under the Constitution, it says that the dignity of a person shall be inviolable. Like I said, be inviolable. Yentia so some preduasa. A drew moi kura. A many person who boom more dignity. It's over kumo bikurana. You must do so with some level of dignity.
Precisely.
It's Yankoko Section 303 of Criminal and Other Offences Act. Even a Muakran and Branese, so Butuabua, Opono, Moya Bone, Section 303, or see cruelty to animals. A person commits the criminal offense of cruelty and is liable to a fine of not exceeding a year 25 penalty unit. Who cruelly beats, kicks, ill-treats, overloads, torture, infuriates, or terrifies an animal. Sabi a Muakrano, a branding person by your Maya Kayaka. Now so be a back. So I'm a boy investigation. Nemo monomedy handcuff begunisa. Now make trying to picture. You just want to humiliate him because he's an ardent critic of the IGP. Is that the society we are building? And we get our brothers on the other side happy about this nonsense. How is that? How is that? How is this idea of Nyakase Obi ya the handcuff for goodness? It's not as though Nipano now or resist the arrest. In any case, more arrest no. Kofi, say Obama, okra information, state no, uhia, opan wadema, opan fama. Emre bia ni wachire. If so called a criminal and other offences acting your friend be causing harm by omission. Causing harm by omission, you know. Say one no marashow, says a BB besia, prevent it, opposing, sojourning, immigration. Would your marashow say BB besia by virtue of you being a police officer, prevent it. Now, when you don't do so, that's a crime happening. And you've caused harm by omission. Fire. So Obama onye police ni, onye soldier ni, onye immigration officer. No law mandate him, no duty is bestowed upon him to give information when he doesn't want to. Nobody should sit there and do nonsense. We are building a society of law, not people doing what they like. Why do we sit there and allow this nonsense to triumph? Or in the name of political victimization? What kind of human beings are we? So self Obama information, Opa, Opa, whatever ma, Opa farmer, was they come and assist me with information. Now I know, say baby, I am a kopa. You're causing a fear and panic. Publication of false news. What is false about the Obama post here? Is it not true that civilians were carrying guns, M16 and others? So what is false about it? And even with that crime of publication of false information, that alone is not a crime. Unless you're able to demonstrate or publicize this information, the public were in fear.
Exactly.
Who has come to report that he was in fear of a yes Obama video now posted? What nonsense are we building as? Is that the society we want? And we sit down and we think this is okay. Govi, is this okay?
Never.
Say Obama because of criticizing IGP. Let the record shows that say Obama in several posts criticizes IGP simply because of a year Boko the world handle Boko issue. It you know people so children where power lies and other than that, I did a video na say Obama posted. And I know was a video na fatuso. Here so mabechi yanso. It is your job as the chief number one chief security officer. Say bibi koswa. Obi be draw attention. It is a mranchen mabawa displays a video na say Obama, and this video has been on the internet for God knows how long. So say Obama ko posti. Now say wa ko posti. Says civilians in a year having M16 and other guns. Is it not true these are civilians?
It's true.
So what is false about the video?
Ask them.
Now society near building. Kovi, society must be fair. Must treat each other equal.
Exactly.
Not because somebody is MPP or NDC.
Never.
We want him to assist. No be our person will assist to a new copy court. You will not copy a circuit court. Say charges ben ye dia bono. Nipana who release in say you want him to assist no. O we will do court handcuffs goodness. Amo ye normal. And then amo ye normal tantais. We are so good, you. You're two Obama money and tongue of mine. We are a nation of laws.
Exactly.
Bobby, even says Obama, and yet nobody say Obama a hank of goodness. Where anyway, is that how we treat people? Coffee says Obama, ye bonimpa. Yanko ready article 1926 2C. Then if I make article 1926, was it when a person is arrested, that person shall be presumed to be innocent.
Exactly.
A person charged with and there's a clear difference between a suspect, an accused, and a person of interest. And you treat him like an accused. Who accused you anyway? And their charges now they are born. And no quite 2C, no, then if I'm going 2C. I never knew any man or say the person shall be presumed innocent until proven otherwise. Now no kwano, oh yeah, near the affair, you see treating ye. Near good anymore. You possess Obama, you didn't have of goodness, near Chateau, near children where power lies. What good an you money? I never know. We don't build a nation like that because one person Obama as a mundi because one pecker the chiasem. So we must do things anyhow. I never society.
Look at that.
I did be on the way near day. I get the here. But couldn't hear. I'm wondering what would you go boo ne dine at Jeno. First, I want the corn coboko. And here. And I won't buy more person much Maya. I've been to Minkasani near Kenny Pacasabua, Nakadechini, Ben Media, my catcher, you know Rami. You know Rami. State in Agreement. State Agreement. Publication of false news. And then false news. Now, for young Fante Comedy Modia. And I'm say Fante Comedy no idea. First of all, you're putting on record. And your Fante Comedy they make his statement now. Almost you Obama say, make president, make lordinity. Okay, very. I mean, these are stupid, reckless. We don't talk like that. But does it constitute crime? If it constitutes crime, who is the principal? Everywhere. Jollof was a one year. Then you read Jollof no. You Fante Comedy never know. Unless say you can read this section 74 and 75. The omode buy you read the police release answer. Now you read section 74 and 75 of criminal and other offences act. Ni anhwe de heka. Now for you elements of the crime. Ni arrest them ye family kwemu. And I'm in the legal department. Fire them. Now you read say these operations, which have been ongoing for several weeks, have led to the significant retrieval of substantial debe. Now that zoom point 4 na me reading. In a related development, 3 other persons. So 3 other persons in here, Fante Comedy near 3 other persons. Prince Ofori, Yagira Abiu, and Emmanuel Kwache are in the custody of the police, assisting. So the word assisting police, when you say assistant, you didn't go on once and assistant. Why are we so fixated with this idea of even when Nipan were police custody, you the handcuff going inside with police custody? What is wrong with you people? The use of handcuffs primarily is to prevent a nipana and more but if the person is of no threat to you, what is this idea of Obia must go into handcuffs? More fire. It's more of fire, so more assisted. Maybe obey assisted with you. That means Nipan Baba, your principal state witness. Then we are the Fante Comedy who handcuffs once and obey witness. After Fante Comedy, and Wabani at Yomono. Let's state on record, say, you're going to make his state. Oh, we are your crown. Or Jitum said, no, was our platform, this should be. And your kind. Yentia video, Fante Comedy Baye. I war patch also. Sadia Nessi, you know. Then it was a video, Nanaka Oberborn Elia.
Name is you host 2 life be our TikTok. Now will be basso by Chiren Adrian. As a man in Panica, you know, and try ye. But Okatakyie, you know, may say, as some more kind of what the on train sign. I'm an Ipano, I train was sign. Yes, recording, you know. Baby, I make us on train sign, baby, and Ipano sign, you know. I want Nipano and post to 1 count. Enti ye ka bibi na nko ya ya pamocho mo fanche me ai me ka bibi na anya me da me na me host tu ye mo fanche me mo fa ne se mo ba e na mane agu mo nan so mo ba pepa mo ntwa
so obi o kase bibi ye crime. Yes, there are 2 elements to crime. At the end of year, and the state of your mind at the year. So actus rules and the intent behind the year. Yes, a menstrual. Okay. There is a quote from I think Lord Denny. Or see, a person should not be just jailed for the sale of jailing, just because he did something which the society prohibits. But the mind must be guilty as well. So Nipano yadia, and yadia na why no. Nemo na granny must be guilty. You must be able to demonstrate. Indeed, nana agreeing muno or pursue dibone. And son, I would a menstrual and any actus rules to the bar. What I said, you no persuade. It's young read this section 74, 75. One more police for threat of death. Section 75 of Act 29. And a cut threat of death once. You're reading the 74 say a person who threatens any other person with unlawful harm with intent so enya wo threaten keke eti nanu there is a case or say Savage versus Tubaville Savage versus Tubaville well didn't saka need to say was if this was an assisted time you would have seen so although no didn't saka the sword or ye bibi ni ade now so obi na no ka say if this was so the intent is that say nanu that means sabre ogina he no although ne buofu but onye because you semra wo so intent is very much required to be able to establish culpability of a crime. Every year, one year can say so you Fante Comedy no. Say no, you cannot lay culpability at his doorstep for this crime because you're on the kind. You no free or see a person who threatens any other person with unlawful harm, with intent to put that person in fear of unlawful harm, commits a misdemeanor. So it's a will be now what gonna say you commit a misdemeanor. Now you read the threat of death. Maybe a police for the or see a person who threatens any other person with death, with intent. And the thing I would threaten is a woman you make simple. Ordinarily, your friend be inchoate offenses, incomplete offenses. And no say who any panic say make so yeah you nina crime nina the same. And the thing I say when you dear ukokuno and now no nina punishment near the same dia and the kokuni prekwe na so bia na nya wo intent ni so pese okuno na mo pese hunahuna no ba mrane so pese hunahuna mamfo eti mrane say when you threaten somebody say mekun na say the intent is to put fear in that person you commit a second degree felony afa you say jollof ne koka de be jollof ne koka say John Mahama de mankunu a mekunu ne atwa lodinati na ukodu mrani mu a elements of a crime you must be able to demonstrate say ampa John Mahama lodina osuro and yanko in the case of Arena Atkinson yanko radie court ni cancel it you could do court anya ye reading kwa if say we no kra na ama the element of the crime ni aditi court no be ma definition see ka say threat kra na ye de badia so the definition of the court when it comes to threat in the case of Arena Atkinson is what we will stand here court you should be a friend objective and your man's test. Say adiano e kan ye no in a reasonable person's mind do you genuinely think say John Mahama shuru John Mahama on national security BNI police military born obai also be to landing as me ku John Mahama shuru ladina shuru mo ye joke adaba ni ya me mo tantan you must be able to demonstrate say indeed John Mahama was afraid for his life. You must be able to demonstrate. The critical and the crucial question is that is Lordina Mahama and John Mahama afraid for their life? If no political gimmick and wanting to throw the people and say Mumuna ye dia reho mu ye ni say flu ani braba John Mahama so suru because we beat your soldier e ka so be kuno and they say ka woman no e yama tell ade nko nwura ye nyina esuru and so what me de wo mine sika e bossa bi kwasiampani se ho ban na so obi aka se yenkonko tie di akwa we ka fa se santehene ne ayemfo ka ye ho ade ba na moye ne sa se ku fa do de wo teteni kwasesempa money even the skin to entertain 1/4 of the nonsense you guys did ade ba no Danny project Arena Atkinson na ye ready ni anhwe de court ne kan court ne kan say usuru John Mahama so usuru etu kwa bana tu ampa say John Mahama usuru si ebeku no kobi lordina usuru obi o trade land you say hey Edie no Eurodo rada na momi aso nko adidie ni adwene ho ne ade ewe ne ma height we na abeye gugu fa ne ade nsem no rambo for ni aja agudie yo na memo ni akekere no na ankokosi prat Dani wo me yakase fa ma tele video ba wo chedo do na afi fa What's the Medum Nija? A Janabeduma chase, Yamano, young Conco Tiens in Funa, a Yamatela, you can, a far a year, a you, Yenti.
And tonight I'm going to be straightforward with 02472. Yana Bono for hine. Eye I wanna for hine Cassia. Eye I am for Cassia more Ghana, Miankasa Mofa. Nana Kwisata, the central Ayadian region on hine Cassia. Sehiama Bono for hine and western region. Mo ahemfo na motina Ghana mo ye di masa masaka we koso. We swear to God, if things tweet and anyoma Dania, we will take you people down first. Mo ahemfo na mo Ghana no. All you the chiefs power bar mona manfo be butu wanim eje nshira mona musimu watumi no se bibi jike MPP to destroy this nation. Say Ejike, we will make sure all of you, your palaces are bent to the ground, and you people too are bent to the ground. Because me, mama, busu any.
Hey, Obi, Asiasama yetina hu ekufa do pensoni. Bend their palaces to the ground, and bend them to the. Because Asiasama yetina hu 8 years ago. But for me, MPP ne pen omo tsan kwase semu mo na na mo pe aha obi do so wonu makwa ma mo ni ngu asemsa eti angu kwasi brat wo se dia bayi moza bangu kwasi brat na fe yanka angu kwasi brat se ayi hontom ke kan kwase semu mi aso kwa didi o yanchi chire mine threat of death President Mahama no way you must be able to demonstrate the eminence of that threat.
Exactly so
the eminence nipa what here soldier baby say President Mahama kuno and you indeed think John Mahama is afraid for his life mo ye joke to mo dia memo dia agro dia be no dia ba sa
fire them
yenti ango si brat
e wa TikTok na obi ba so be kire na
be dani wo body friend ayi bo ango kwasi brat dia be no Obi akudi ne doso do John Mahama so be resetting so one would have expected that this kind and you man who know any political division ba yenti ango si brat yenti no.
It doesn't even matter if the person being threatened is not the president. I think a serious example of these people. Foolishness. I mean, just take a video and video yourself threatening to kill the president and put his body in a cocoa sack and throw him away and behead his wife. What? Who would tolerate this? In which country would this be tolerated? I think we should make a very serious example of these people.
We must make a serious example of Yehunto.
Exactly.
We must make a serious example of almost social media. Now, example, maybe I see a study free. What? More fire. Your mama, you will not promise a man for. You promise them that you're going to bring
2024. Your mother said, "On the baby will akufadu." On the tell me, Nana don't like akufadu. Okora kila na you. Eke ajuku. Jani mate. Omo yo. We know.
So bebre enya plane crash. Asofo nyina bi nya plane crashes. American sofo baako minim ni din. Mo back about 3 years or 4 years ni erado wane na yere omukonya plane crash no mu wiye. Yanka kra no na no American superstar ya obo baseball yi. Kobe Bryant wonu so ne ba a 17-year-old girl erado omukonya plane crash no mu wiye. Erade na no Africa ya play me kwashu anu so since the 150 cent anu mu ye erade moja edi bimbebre hwere omo nkwa enam plane crash erade boy na sa play we to a emofom erade crash sa mi palo be sa crash sa play we crash okohan ya crash sa play we Ghana will lose nothing Shiro Monka and I'm plane crash. A rather boy.
I'm going to Brat. To wish the president's one crash.
Just look at
example should be made of him.
Exactly. Exactly so. More than that.
Because it's something also. I believe so much that social media, gentlemen, many know one people before. Many will be arguing and say, "Who can support?" Let's get that very clear.
More fire.
Let's get that very clear. We've been pace setters in a development of a democracy. Some of us in the past, out of a year, youthful exuberance in Yadi, but we must learn quickly and move away from it. Some commentaries are unnecessary. You can project a message without having to wish anybody to die. Your political fortunes must not be dependent on a nipa. If you have a viable candidate, project that candidate. And your mama and I believe we must lift there. But these are trivial things. And never who yapano. Bokon sense mu ayi bi onti ayi no onti mi kwaka bokon sense you ma funu ya na musu so I tina mo divert attention and you ma hunu say na Dr. Bamadu Bami akopeke ne forms nti e say pe bibi twam na e ma na yira system ni mu ni ade de ntia ye no ani Dr. Bamadu Bami anti ne ye we Gelman tactics. We don't want it to be topical. So the media must dominate a year. Say Obama. Say ya an MPP year, Oliver. And some fun ye do Oliver. Yeah. Now when him some more Yanamulusu. So Fante Comedy no change is a dear. Say Obama no what change is a dear. What they divert your attention. A old trick. Na man for no sabi adwene ne mo hanti mudi nyawo munya we old trick. They want to use it to divert your attention from the real issues. Other than that ke di areho the same funu say na mo mani nyawo they divert your attention. Why do you think say na e kwache nkrofo omuka say na di say why did they have to wait till today? A man for mumbi money what omo de madwene di agro. And we million man this for when MPP and this you. Watching a NPP ban obi din kwasem say. E kama bi a kire. And me kama dwen no bebre. Bobia ya won kaya de ya. We ye boni ayefo. Boni ayefo a won kaya de. Wo mo che no me kasati amaban sa. Because what is wrong is wrong. We cannot have what is wrong yesterday and make it right today. So, gentlemen, MP4, you must be circumspect with the way you say things. I don't like John Mahama's governance. I don't think he has anything better for our nation. In all honesty, the kind of conversations that I was privy to when I entered their fold, I know say that they are. But then again, if we have elected him as the president, all the necessary respect that we ought to accord him, we have to accord him. Nobody should sit there and wish him dead. He will pay nothing, he will do nothing. Although in the past they have wished the Kufadu and the rest, it means nothing. We cannot continue the same trajectory. Continue doing the same thing over and over and expect different results. We must be different. We must fight it different. We must show the way.
Exactly.
And this is the time to do so. Gentlemen, Fante Comedy. Mon regulate the Amoya Niama. Mon can de John Mahama here. Ube wuni ebe kuno ndia. Agwana nyameti ase. Ede de Okatakyie Afrifa. Me ba be sommo. De metimi aye adurani. Ochina nyame ya adomo a. Montemenka. Anjo ncheze mi gwoku. Asofo ya moya na Okatakyie na befa hin ne besi hene. Matini nyina mo amose ye bekum ni ade medam ase se mo adwene me ho eni ade matini nyina mamoma bibia ha mo ate da kuru bi na ese mi wu e de asada ko na beba eye new eye chinew e china chiu na ewuo pa nso a mekwa Afrifa mi nsuru e de edi tu okum nipa it said that very moment that microsecond and you are gone hwi ni ho mo nyare na de it is no and ye be kum o me hyebre mu a me de ba wi ase said as any so betetre me no akumia me suro no de me suro pa me yare ada dem nti medam ase monko so amompa ya mame na mo bobia no bobia mame me de metiri mo fan menye obi abone mempe obi aso bone e de se wo ba na me bre na aso na menye ni so obi ne kume na ese nam Judas soma Yesu Kristo yi ni ma na nipa no okumi wi a I will become a martyr in this country obe sister tu amame enti mo pa munkume mukumi na monsa so me statue be sigana maybe I'll become a symbol of political violence the end to wait for our nation ni adenya mi ase ne meja hoko na nchirima ma abehu nti di be sibia nyame ase na Latin word was ki sera what will be
will definitely be
makola abako boat ozo hine how to ate na ebeye de ebeye
so when nchirimu Afrifa at the MI obetu achire wa adwene ama me e wo comment section Penyah Media aka